Hello loves, it's Ada's Recipes with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious fish pepper sauce. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious, easy recipe, continue watching. The first ingredient I have here is I have onion, then fresh pepper, and I also have fresh ginger and garlic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to grate one onion. Okay, then for the other onion and pepper, okay, I'm going to be coarsely grinding it. Okay, so let's grate the onion first. The next thing I'm going to grate is the fresh garlic. Then the fresh ginger root. So I'm done doing this. The next thing is to put your fish. Okay, you're using ice fish. Okay, so put your fish into a pot. Then add the grated ginger, garlic, and onion. Add seasoning cube. Salt. Add water. Give it a stir. Then you leave to cook until done. So the next thing you're going to do is to coarsely blend the onion and pepper. So heat up your oil and fry the already cooked fish. So here is the fried fish. You're going to, hope you guys are seeing this. So this is how we want it. So in a hot oil, add your pepper mix. Then you stir. So we're going to cover until the water is almost absorbed. So here it is. Add the fish, the deboned fish. And give it a good stir. Add seasoning cube. Then the fish stock, okay? Then stir. Add some salt. Cover and leave for 3 to 4 minutes. Then here we have curry leaves. You're going to be using curry leaves for this. Wash and add your curry leaves. Cover and leave for another 2 minutes. And here it is. So guys, this is an easy recipe you can just come up with to enjoy your rice and your yam. Okay, it's a delicious fish pepper sauce you're going to love. It's a sharp recipe you can come up with and you're going to love it. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe, and make sure you try yours. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.